gang, it's your boy Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, man. As you guys see, I'm by myself, you know what I'm saying? So you already know what's finna go down. As you guys see the title, man, y'all know it's finna be a prank, you know what I'm saying? But before I jump into this video, man, you guys make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you guys see the intro? Let us know in the comments. Oh, yeah, is it good, bad? Let us know. Give us a thoughts on the new intro, you know what I'm saying? Something light, you know what I'm saying? Light red. Yes, guys, I'm outside. As you can see, I'm outside. Everyone's in the house sleeping. I didn't want to wake up nobody. Because you guys see the title, man. I'm going to do the annoying girlfriend prank while she sleep, you know what I'm saying? Guys, you guys can go to see how she do me when she's sleeping. Guys, she's very aggressive. She's very, very aggressive when she sleep, yo. Oh my god, you guys both see, man. Hopefully she give me a good reaction. We about to go inside right now. We about to dig it up, you know what I'm saying? We about to, you know what I'm saying? We about to, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I already said it already. Big, but yeah, if you're gonna go in there and do this prank, hopefully she's gonna give me a good reaction. Baby.
See? You can't wake me up like that.
Why?
Because.
What's not good? You want to sleep some more or something?
I'm scared.
Oh, you finna get up?
I don't know.
Are you still tired? You still tired? Well, get up then.
Babe, come on.
Get up
Stop.
then.
Okay, I'm up. Stop. Javon, stop. Come on.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning. You finna get up?
And do what? Don't you gotta take somebody somewhere?
Get up. What do you mean? You want to sleep some more or something?
No, I got stuff to do.
Oh, come on. We got stuff to do too.
What are we doing?
I don't know. We'll do something.
Javon, stop. Can you stop grabbing
Why
me?
your breath stink?
Thank you. I just woke up. How about yours?
Smell good.
Javon, come on.
Oh, mama.
Stop.
Come on.
This is why I be swinging on you. Shit. Move.
You going to...
Stop. Javon. Shit. Move.
Come on. Get up.
I am up. The hell? Do you see me laying back down?
So, no, because I know you're going to fall asleep.
No, I'm not.
This is it. Come
Javon,
on.
I'm not. Stop.
Let's go wash your face. Come on. Let's go wash your face.
Can you move? I can get up and go by myself.
Your breath stink.
Okay, thank you. Shoot. Move. Move. Don't you gotta go to the barber shop or something?
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Move. Shit. Move. Javon. Shit. No. God damn. No.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Move. Javon.
You smell that? Oh shit!
Move.
Oh shit!
Move. Stop.
Okay, I know.
Go on about your business and leave me alone.
Okay.
Shit.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my. Javon, I'm about to put you out of commission for real.
Give me a kick.
Ah, leave. about your business.
Okay. I can't fall.
You better leave me alone. I'm not playing with you. Shit. Move. Oh my gosh. Stop.
Hey.
Move. Babe.
Oh shit.
Stop.
Oh. Man, my hair.
You gotta go get cut anyway.
No.
Yes, you do. Are you tired now?
No.
Oh my gosh.
A tough fall.
I'm not sleeping no more. Stop. Oh shit. Move. What do you want?
You want something to drink?
No. You better not pour that shit on me. I'm not playing with you. Ow. I was trying to belch you.
Burgers.
No, could
Ouch. Ouch. Oh.
Stop. Move. Can you stop? Javon. Okay, can you stop?
Come on, let's get up. Come on.
Javon, I am up. Move.
Oh, shit.
Stop.
Okay.
You trying to grab my nipple? Move. Phone ringing.
That shit hurt, man.
Move. Move. I'm about to call the cops on you. Shit. Stop. What did I tell you about grabbing my ankles like that? Ouch. Stop. You hurt my ankles. Oh my gosh. Move. Can you stop?
You up now?
Yes.
You
Shit,
up?
I've been up like 2 seconds. Oh, damn it. Shit. Can you stop? Shit. Messed up my hair.
See right there?
Hey.
You see right there? Smile for the camera. It's a prank, man.
Get off of me.
Smile for the
Okay?
camera.
Shit.
It's a prank.
Ah.
Oh, shit. Girl, you wild.
You wild. Stop. Damn hot. Move. Javon, stop.
Prank.
Y'all, this would be making him get punched in the face and stuff. Move. Move. Why you always grabbing me?
Cause he gonna hit me.
Golly.
We got her, guys.
I'm not worried about you. Can you give me something to drink now?
We got her, guys. We got her, guys.
Give me something.
Stop trying to hit me, bro.
Okay, well, give me something to drink. You woke me up and stuff. You should have me something to drink.
You know, you want some tea?
No.
But we got her, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Wait, how you feel about it? How you
Stop. Don't move.
How you
Do
feel?
not grab me.
how you feel?
Don't grab me.
Huh?
Shit.
And Granny?
Stop.
How you feel?
Stop.
How you feel?
Mo-
How you feel? Stop trying to hit me. How you
Well,
feel?
stop trying to grab
How
me.
you feel?
Stop. I just woke up. I got boogers in my eyes and stuff. Move. Well, not boogers. What's they called? Eye boogers?
Alright, guys, we got that good, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And, again, comment down below what other prank you want. No, DM me what other pranks you want me to do. Because Prank King is back. Oh, this girl is a pain. I'm hot. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.